Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Please do take a moment and hit that subscribe button and bell icon next to it for notification. It will really mean a lot guys. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful olive green smoky eyes. Very easy to create. And if you're interested, then keep on watching. I'm going to prime my lids with Wet n Wild's concealer in the shade medium beige. I'm going to blend that well, and then I'm going to set that with Colourpop setting powder in the shade translucent, and I'm going to use the dabbing motion here. Don't swipe the brush through. I'm going to use some tape on the corners for the sharp edge. For the transition color, I'm going to use Morphe into Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to use the shade called Buns, and I'm going to use that all over my crease, and I'm going to blend that well till I'm happy with the color payoff. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to use the shade from the same palette called Jax, and I'm going to use that on the socket area where my crease folds, right? So I'm going to use it right there, and I'm going to blend it well. Now for that smokiness, I'm going to use a color called Abyss, or I don't know how to pronounce that. It's a black shade guys, it's a black eyeshadow. I'm going to use it on my outer V area, and I'm going to blend that well. So I'm slightly getting it inwards and I'm blending it well. Now for that beautiful olive shade, I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Emerald Obsession palette and that beautiful olive green shade, and I'm going to use it on my inner 2/3 part of my eye. It's a beautiful shimmer shade. You don't need to add any setting spray on the brush. For next, I'm going to use Inglot Gel Liner in number 77, and I'm going to create a small winged liner. Next, I'm going to use Sugar's Brow Define and Cherry Brown. I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. You know the drill, like always. Now to conceal the darkness around my under eye circles, I'm going to use this custom mix that I made from NYX Concealer using the shade Light and LA Girls Pro Concealer in the shade Orange, and I'm nicely blending it with my fingers, and I'm going to set that with some translucent powder. Next, I'm going to use Maybelline Gigi Hadid's Kohl in black, and I'm going to line my upper and lower waterline like this. And the next step is to smoke out that lower lash line. I'm going to use the shades that I've used in my crease area, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. Now to highlight my under eye area, I'm going to use LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige. I'm going to blend that well, and then I'm going to set that with some translucent powder once again. Next, for highlight, I'm going to use Mary's Luminizer by the Balm Cosmetics, and I'm going to use it in my brow bone area. And I'm going to use this beautiful golden shade from the same Huda Beauty palette in my inner corner, like so. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to add Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. If you want, you can go ahead and add falsies if you would wish to. And there you go guys, this is a final look. Very easy olive green smoky eyes with a small winged liner. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. It will really mean a lot if you would hit that subscribe button. And guys, there are many more eye makeup, nail art, DIY videos on my channel, so don't forget to check that out, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care and bye bye.